Today I'm unveiling the ultimate guide to Facebook ads specifically for real estate agents. This isn't just about getting likes or clicks, it's about actually creating an offer that gets tangible results and getting you leads into customers. Hey, I'm Shawn Bell and I am a social media coach for the Wolfpack at eXp Realty, and I'm also the founder of the Realtor's Blueprint, which helps realtors generate non-stop leads well in their sleep through Facebook ads. I have spent tens upon tens of thousands of dollars and I've helped hundreds, if not thousands of realtors. I found what works, and more importantly, I've also found what doesn't work with Facebook ads. So stick around so you can fast track your success with Facebook ads. And while you're here, make sure to give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell to be notified of future videos I post on Facebook ads. Let's get into it. The best ads are where you are offering up a free list of homes that people want to download, and in return they have to give you their contact information in order to get what was promised. Most will just run a very generic list of homes saying, here's a list of homes in our entire city. And unfortunately, that does not work. You need to be very specific, niche down on your list. So say, here is a specific neighborhood or subdivision under a certain price range. So usually I pick the average price range or get that price range as low as I can. So saying, here's a list of homes in this neighborhood under this price. And that's where we get great results because people feel like that list is specifically for them and it makes them want to click on it and get what you have in return. So you may have known that from prior videos, but how the heck do we set this dang thing up? So stick with me, take some notes, and let's go through it together. The properly set up Facebook ads that I'm talking about with these lists of homes need to be set up on the back end through Ads Manager. No matter what, you cannot create this on your Facebook page, click that blue boost button, it just will not work. What that's gonna do is it's gonna show it to more people, but there's no call to action. So there's nothing for them to click and put information in order to get that list of homes. If you put that link to the list of homes right within your ad, they're just going to be able to click on it and go right to the list of homes. This is not getting you any contact information. So you must go through the back end in Ads Manager. When you're in your Facebook page, on the far left, you're going to see a menu and it's going to say Ads Manager. If you do not see it, there'll be a button that says See More. Click on that button, then you should see Ads Manager. Click on that. It'll bring you to the next page. On the next page, you are going to click a green Create button. That will bring up a menu that gives you 6 objectives that you want to run with your ad. The one you want to select is leads. This is telling Facebook, I'm going to pay you money. In return, I want you to get me leads. And this is how we can create the ad so that there is a form that they have to fill out in order to get your free list of homes. Once you've done that, there is a bunch of different things that we can click on. Now, hold on with me. I'm going to explain it all, and I even have a guide for you at the end. So don't worry, I've got you covered. Once you are in there, there's going to be a drop-down box for special ad category. You want to select that, and in there, you want to select housing. As real estate agents, we have to select this in order for our ad to run. If you do not, Facebook will decline your ad, and if you try to circumvent it, eventually Facebook may shut down your account. So do not skip this step. A lot of realtors try to skip it because when you select this, it does not let you target specific people, and because of that, people don't want to run the ad. But what they don't realize is Facebook is so darn smart, it has so much data on us, it knows who to show your ad to, and it figures it out as time goes on. So if anything, this special ad category is actually a blessing in disguise because it makes it so much easier to set up our ad and not have to worry about who we're going to target. Facebook figures it out for you and does all the heavy lifting. When you get to the part where it asks about conversions, you want to select Instant Form. Yes, there's a bunch of other options in there. It's like, hey, what are they? They seem kind of cool. But trust me, the one that works the best is the Instant Form. What this does is when somebody clicks on your Facebook ad, a form will pop up and it'll say, hey, we need your name, your phone number, and your email address in order to get you what you promised. You can obviously change it. You can ask other questions, but I found, again, the best results, name, phone number, email. Get them to put that in. And then from there, once they do, they're going to get your list of homes. You get their contact information. It's a win-win for everybody. You're going to get to a spot where it's asking, where do you want to show this ad to? And you're going to select your city. This way, everybody's going to be able to see your ad within your city, and if they know the neighborhood that you're advertising and they're interested in it, they're going to gladly click on it and put their contact information in. Again, this is the way you get some leads. Ad placement. This is where it'll ask you, where do you want to show your ad? We found the best results are when it's just in the feed. So don't be selecting everything that's in there. Don't be selecting the advantage placements, because that's where Facebook will just put it anywhere and spend all your money. Select manual placements and select just the Facebook feed. If you have this connected to your Instagram and you're running it on Instagram as well, then you can also select the Instagram feed, but just the feeds, nothing else. This is where I've seen the best results. Your photo is the most important part. If you are running a list of homes in a specific neighborhood, you want to go get your photo taken in front of that neighborhood sign. Why this works so great is because, one, it's a set of eyeballs in the photo, which always gets more engagement than anything else, other than kids and pets, of course. And two, it creates a familiarity factor where people see that sign and be like, oh my gosh, I know exactly where that is. That's within my community. And they now know that this is an ad served up for them, and it's just not another ad that everybody across the country is seeing. Trust me, after spending tens of thousands of dollars, having a platform, coaching other realtors, and seeing all the stats on this, the one that has the photos in front of that neighborhood sign gets the lowest cost per lead. Those that do not are much higher. I know it sucks. You have to go out there, you have to get your photo. It's so much easier if I go to Google and find a generic photo, but if you do that, you're gonna be paying a lot more for your leads. So this is a must. This is the most important part of the ad, in my opinion. From there, you have your headlines. So you wanna make it eye-catching and grab attention. If you need help with this, a great little trick is to go to ChatGPT. Put in ChatGPT saying, this is the type of ad I'm gonna be running. I'm running a specific list of homes in this neighborhood under this price. Give me a headline for it. Give me the link text for it. And ChatGPT will give you some ideas and you can chat back and forth with it. The simplest way, if you want, is just saying, attention, residents of whatever your city name is. Here's a free list of homes in this neighborhood under this price range. And then you could maybe within your actual paragraph, you could name out what's so great about the neighborhood, why you might want to live there. But again, a little trick, if you want to make it more eye-catching, go to ChatGPT and it will gladly help you out. Once you run your ad, I highly recommend you have a connection with Zapier, API Nation, Make, Pabbly. There's so many different ones where you're getting notified when a lead comes in. Because unfortunately, I'm not sure why, Facebook does not notify you. If you're running this ad and you're not getting notified, you're gonna be generating leads and this is gonna be a complete waste of money for you. When you can go to a website like Zapier, you can connect it to say when a lead comes in, send me an email with their contact details. Or you could do it saying, send it to my CRM. And then within your CRM, you could have certain workflows created that maybe it'll start sending them messages. Whichever way you prefer, you must do this. Because the stat is, if you can respond to a lead in the first 5 minutes, you have a way higher chance of being able to have a conversation with them. And again, I've tested and it is very true. This is a step you do not want to skip, because if you do, you're gonna be generating leads. Then you're gonna have a tough time getting a hold of them because you didn't respond in the first 5 minutes. Again, this all becomes a waste of money. As you can see, there's kind of a pattern here. All of everything, the little tips I give you, if you miss anything, you're not gonna get as good of results. So they all work together. There's not just one tip that's gonna give you the best results. Obviously they're gonna help, but they all work together. So you must follow everything step by step I've told you in this video today to see the amazing results that myself and all the other realtors I help have. From there, you need to be following up. On average, it can take 7 to 8 touch points for a lead to respond to you. So make sure to mark it down and follow up with them once a week or every other week. Just keep reaching out to them, see if there's any way else you can help them. Otherwise, again, they're gonna forget about you. So fortune is in the follow-up. Generating leads is the easiest part. From there, like I said, you need to reach out within the first 5 minutes, do your 7 to 8 touch points, and even when you've maybe converted them and you've got them on an auto email system where it's sending them emails of new listings and new solds, you need to still be following up. They may forget about you if they haven't heard from you in a while, and they might move on to another realtor. Do not leave it to chance. Keep reaching out to them. Show that you care. Eventually, when they're ready to buy or sell, you will be the one. Okay, so we've covered a lot here today. I know it's a lot to take in. So I've actually created a guide for you to make this so much easier. This is a step-by-step PDF. It's going to walk you through on everything I spoke about today, where to click, what to type in, and will be kind of your guide that you can kind of print out and have there with you when you're setting up one of these Facebook ads. If you would like a copy, just comment with step by step and I will send you one for completely free. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. As I said before, if you can, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, also hit the bell for future videos on Facebook ads. And I would love to see your success, see what you come up with. Take care. I hope you have a great day. And until then, we'll see you in the next video.